Johns Hopkins uses Grubhub for mobile ordering from our on-site restaurants, saving you time from waiting in lines. There are no added fees, and the app offers exclusive healthy food discounts. This video will review how to access Grubhub and place an order. To start, download and open the Grubhub app on your mobile device. If needed, create a new account. First, you'll need to set up a credit or debit card, which is required for account setup. Go to Account and tap Payment. Enter your preferred method of payment. Go to Account and tap Campus Dining. Tap Find Your Campus and search for your hospital name and add your affiliation. Tap View Campus Restaurants to browse on-site dining options. Select a restaurant to begin an order. Browse items and add to bag to place in your order. When you've finished adding items, tap View Order. A time is provided for estimated pickup. Review your order, and if everything looks good, continue to check out. Select payment method and complete checkout. A notification will display when your food is ready. If your food is being delivered to a locker, a QR code will also be shown on screen. Grubhub questions? Email help_me@grubhub.com. Food and culinary services questions? Email food and culinary services@jhmi.edu.